Okay, well, we are going to leave you this Christmas Eve with music from the First Shepherd Lutheran Church in Madison. Music director Jared Stellmacher is joined by Amy Hartsough, music director of the First Lutheran Church in Janesville, for one of the classic Christmas carols, O Holy Night. We'll see you later. Merry Christmas Eve.
The stars are brightly shining. It is the night of the dear Savior's birth. Sin and error pining till he appeared and the soul felt its worth. A thrill of hope, the weary world rejoices, for yonder breaks a new and glorious morn. Was born. Oh, night, oh, holy night, oh, night taught us to love one another. His law is love, and his gospel is peace. Chain shall he break, for the slave is our brother, and in his name all oppression shall cease. Sweet hymns of joy in grateful chorus raise we, let all